Model Y Juniper Power Sunshade Installation Tutorial. Using the provided tools, carefully guide the sunshade's power cable through the roof trim. Since both the front and rear ends of the sunshade are equipped with motors, it is necessary to connect the wiring for both ends. Ensure the cables are neatly routed and securely positioned to avoid interference with other components. Use wire adhesive strips to route the cable from the trunk into the vehicle. Guiding it through the interior roof lining and continuing to conceal it within the headliner. Connect the plug to the extension cable. Hide the extension cable toward the front of the headliner and connect it to the wiring on the sunshade. Both ends of the sunshade are equipped with motors. Identify the front and rear of the sunshade based on the shape of the vehicle's roof. Attach the support bracket to the designated position at the rear of the sunshade. Using the specified tools, guide the bracket through the rear roof trim and secure the sunshade's rear section to the corresponding position on the roof. Ensure the bracket is firmly in place. Insert the support bracket into the front section of the roof using the provided tools. Align it with the pre-drilled holes and fasten it with screws. For optimal precision, it is recommended to have a second person assist during this step to ensure accurate alignment and installation. Open the side trim panel in the trunk to locate the corresponding power interface. Connect the sunshade's power cable to the designated socket. Double-check the connection to ensure it is secure. Now the installation of your power sunshade is completed.